Hi, this is Andy Flippik in Toronto for the week of November the 4th. I realize my videos have become very focused on central banks and what they're doing. I apologize, but unfortunately, it really is the only game in town. Right now, with the state of the global economy, most countries being in downturns, almost a lot of them in recessions potentially, it's what central banks do going forward that really matters. I've included two charts, one of the Fed's balance sheet and one of central bank global liquidity, just to show you how things have changed so much in the last 6 months to a year, with balance sheets stalling out or shrinking, now increasing sharply again. Christine Lagarde took over the ECB on November the 1st, and one of the beliefs was they brought in a lawyer by training, a politician, really to focus on the fiscal side as opposed to the monetary side. The monetary side being central banks have printed lots of money, hasn't really worked that well. So now we have to focus on fiscal, which means getting governments together to spend a lot more to try to get the economy going. And one of the things she said, and I've included the article, a link to it is on this page, but basically chastising Germany and Holland as governments for running surpluses, talking about the need for infrastructure spending, getting on board, et cetera, et cetera. So in fact, this I think is going to be her major responsibility, is trying to create stimulus by getting politicians and European leaders together to spend. And what this ultimately means is that the European Central Bank will be printing a lot more money. Interestingly enough, I mean, Germany still runs with the mentality of the fear of hyperinflation, so they're running surpluses, as I mentioned, with the Dutch. And one of the problems is that the negative interest rates in Europe, which Lagarde praised, actually are a terrible hindrance. And in fact, with Germany and the Netherlands saving as governments, individuals in Europe have been able or have begun to save even more. So the theory was that if you cut rates to negative, people would spend it. The exact opposite's happening. So as far as investors go, it looks like we're just going to see more and more money printing as far as the eye can see. Thanks for watching.